Hi dear students, welcome back to RYT channel. In this video we are going to learn the topic blood relationship. I've taken several questions from various question papers from MBA as well as MCA. We'll begin with MBA 2019 question paper. Even before that, you need to learn few basic things. For example, as you can see on the top, I've given some shapes, I've given some names and then shapes. For example, in this blood relationship topics, you will have several relationships coming up: mother, sister, father, brother, all those things. It is better if you show them in a proper way, then it will be very easy. You should classify them. So for example, what I have done, we will represent in our videos, we will represent male by a square box and female by a oval shape, siblings by just a normal line, straight line, spouse by bidirectional arrow, and different generations will show by up arrow mark or down arrow mark. Okay, spouse here means wife or husband. Siblings means either brother or sister, it could be anything. Okay, let us go to the first question. Pointing to a person, Deepak said, his only brother is the father of my daughter's father. How is the person related to Deepak? These kind of questions are common and they are often little bit confusing. But what you can do is you can split that question into two parts and do it, solve it. For example, what I will do is usually I will start from the last half. For example, last half is daughter's father, my daughter's father. If you observe, his only brother is the father of my daughter's father. So what I will do, I'll split into two halves. His only brother is the father, that is the first half of my daughter's father. We all know that my daughter's father means it's me only. So Deepak is telling my daughter's father, so Deepak's daughter's father is Deepak only. So if you observe, at the down we have daughter, that is represented by oval, then on top of that we have Deepak. So it means half of our solution is done already. My daughter's father, so Deepak is telling this, so Deepak's daughter's father, it is Deepak only. This half is done. If you come back to the beginning of the sentence, his only brother is the father of my daughter's father. It means his only brother is the father of Deepak. His only brother, okay, is father of Deepak. It means Deepak's father is there, then his only brother. Okay, it means how is the person related to Deepak? So we are talking about here uncle, that he is Deepak's uncle. Let us go to the next one. A professor is the son of doctor, but his father is an engineer. How doctor is related to engineer? Let us have a look. Professor is the son of doctor. We will show by a down arrow mark. Professor, we know it is male, so we'll represent it by square or rectangle. He's the son of doctor. Doctor, we don't know whether it is male or female as of now. Okay. In the next sentence, they have mentioned, next part, they have mentioned, but his father is an engineer. It means professor's father is an engineer. We will represent it by square box, which means doctor is actually mother, which is female. So they're asking how doctor is related to engineer. So basically, doctor is the wife of engineer. Next one. The question looks quite lengthy, but it's quite easy to solve. No worries. Let us see. They have given various things, conditions. A3P means A is the mother of P. A4P means A is the brother of P. A9P means A is the husband of P. A5P means A is the daughter of P. Which of the following means that K is the mother-in-law of M? What they have done is they have given slide codes here. A3P. 3 means mother here. Here letter A represents some person, P also represents some person, but this number 3 represents mother. Similarly, number 4 represents brother, number 9 means husband, number 5 means daughter. So let us have a look how to solve this question. Okay, now their main question is which of the following means K is the mother-in-law of M? It's better to have a look at all the 4 options. Let us go one by one. Option A says M9 N3 K4J. So we'll go one by one. M 9. 9 means husband. So M is the husband of N, comma. Then you will take again N 3K, which means N is the mother of K. Then again you will take K 4J. K is the brother of J. Let us draw it as a diagram. We'll come one by one. M is the husband of N, which means N is a female. N is the wife. So M, then bidirectional arrow mark N. N is the female. Okay. N is the mother of K. So K will come down, come below. Okay. N is the mother of K. K is the brother of J. So K is a male actually. Okay. So K is the brother of J. Now the question was, K is the mother-in-law of M. No, not at all possible, because K is the brother they are telling. So K is a male here. Not possible. Okay, so option A is ruled out. Let us go to option B. Here they are telling option B, K 5J 9M 3N. K 5 means daughter. So K is the daughter of J, comma J 9M. J is the husband of M, comma M 3N. M is the mother of N. Let us go one by one. K is the daughter of J. So what I did, I wrote J square. Below that I wrote K in the oval shape because K is a female. Okay. Now next part is J is husband of M. It means J is a male and M is female. So I wrote bidirectional arrow mark J, bidirectional arrow mark M. M is the wife, so it is female. I wrote in a oval shape. M is the mother of N. So N will come down again. Okay. So here also if you see, the question was K is the mother-in-law of M. No, here it's showing actually K is the daughter of M. So this is also ruled out. Let us go to the next option. Option C. K3J9N4M. K is the mother of J. J9M. J is the husband of N, comma N4M. N is the brother of M. Again, if you observe, if you draw the diagram, K is the mother of J. So J is the box, then K we have written on top. J is the husband of N, which means J you have written male and N is female. N is the brother of M. N is the brother of M, not possible because N we are telling it is a female. How again N will be brother of M? So this is also ruled out. This option is also wrong. Finally, option left is only D, which should be correct according to us. Let us have a look. M9N 5K3J. M9M N means M is the husband of N, comma N5K means N is the daughter of K, comma K3J means K is the mother of J. Let us have a look. First part was M is the husband of N. So M we wrote in a square box because it is husband. N is a female, so we wrote in a oval shape. Then N is the daughter of K, which means K is the mother. We wrote it on top, and they have also written K is the mother of J. Now the question was, which of the following means that K is the mother-in-law of M? If you observe here, K is there, K's daughter is N, and N is married to M, which means K is the mother-in-law of M. So option D is the correct answer for us. Let us go to the next one. They have given A, B, C, D, E and F are 6 members of a family. One couple has parents and their children in the family. Okay, you can neglect this also. A is the son of C. Let us go on. A is the son of C. C we don't know whether male or female, father or mother, we don't know. So we'll just write simply C. A is the son, so A we write it in square box. And E is the daughter of A. So after A, again below we will write E. E will write in oval shape because it is daughter. Next, D is the daughter of F, who is the mother of E, which means D is the daughter of F and F is the mother of E they are telling, which means A and F are husband and wife and E and D are the daughters of them. Okay. Now the question is, which of the following pairs is the parents couple? If you observe, CF not possible, AB not possible, AF possible. AF are the couples, parent couples. A is the husband, F is the wife. Next one. If P plus Q means P is the brother of Q, P into Q means P is the wife of Q, and P percentage Q means P is the daughter of Q. Then which of the following means D is the uncle of A? We'll go one by one. If you observe this, A percentage B into C plus D. If you put it in a flow chart, A is the daughter of B, A is the daughter of B, then B is actually the wife of C, okay, and C is the brother of D. Okay, now it means D is the uncle of A. If you observe here, this option A itself is correct. Option A, D is the uncle of A. You don't need to go further. You can stop here itself and save time. Let us go to the MBA 2017 question paper. A is son of C, while C and Q are the sisters to one another. Z is the mother of Q. If P is the son of Z, which one of the following statement is correct? Let us draw the diagram first. A is the son of C. So I wrote A as a square because it is son. C, I don't know exactly whether it is male or female in the first part. While C and Q are the sisters, they are told C and Q are sisters. Now I know it is both are female, C and Q. So I write in oval shape, C and Q both sisters. Next they are telling Z is the mother of Q. It means Z is actually the mother of C and Q both. So Z I will write it on top. Next they say if P is the son of Z, which means P is the son of Z means Z has now C, Q and P as children. Which one of the following statement is correct? Q is the grandson of A? No, false. P is the maternal uncle of A? Yes, possible, because A's mother is C and C's brother is P. So P is the brother of C, who is actually mother of A. So P is the maternal uncle of A, which is correct answer. If you still want to have a look at the next option, P is the cousin of A, not possible. Z is the brother of C, not possible. So option B, P is the maternal uncle of A, is correct. MBA 2017 again. A man said to a lady, the son of your only brother is the brother of my wife. What is the lady to the man? Okay, let us draw the diagram. Okay, as I said, you can split this into two parts. The son of your only brother, that is first part. Another part is brother of my wife. So if you look at the below diagram, man, his wife, then brother. That is nothing but he will be brother-in-law to the man. Okay, in the first in the bottom line, man, his wife and brother. So BIL means brother-in-law. To the man, wife's brother is brother-in-law. That is one part. Another part, the son of your only brother. To a lady he is telling. So lady, son of your only brother. Lady's only brother is there. His son is nothing but this brother-in-law. So automatically brother-in-law's father will become father-in-law. Okay, and that lady will be sister of father-in-law. This is from MCA, because MCA question papers I could not find many questions. I could hardly see one, so I have noted down here. Ram showed an old man and said, his son is my son's uncle. How is the old man related to Ram? Let us split again into two parts. His son, that is one part. Then is, after is another part, my son's uncle. Okay, so if you see the first part, old man and his son, old man one and old man's son, that is one part. Another part is my son's uncle, my son's uncle. If you see, his son is my son's uncle. Now my son's uncle means my brother, my son's uncle. So Ram's son uncle means Ram's brother only it is. Okay, and brother's father is nothing but Ram father itself. Therefore the old man is the father of Ram. I hope these were helpful to you, and we are bringing out many videos like that, and we are trying to cover all the topics of logical reasoning as well as aptitude. So please stay tuned, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel. I hope these videos are helpful to you. This video is brought to you by RYT Recharge Your Talent. Thank you and all the best.